So here we have our MSP432, and plugged to it we have a 10K potentiometer, to which we're gonna turn the knob over here and send an analog signal, and then the MSP432 will change it to a digital signal. So this is gonna be shown by the LEDs over here turning on, and then the LED one over here, the red one, is gonna turn on every time a cycle finish, so we can see how the shifting works. So over here we have, and we have our light turned on, and that means one cycle. And then if we press switch 1, we'll see that our cycles will increase with the same range of motion of our 10K potentiometer. If we press the switch a second time, we see that we have more cycles. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then finally we have here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. And finally, when we press the switch for the 5th time, it's going to go back to its normal configuration. We're already all the way over here. We're going to go back. So that's the first test plan. So for the second test plan, we're going to see what's the highest value that we can assign to our shift variable, so that will keep the program running. So if we put an 11 over here, actually we do a 12, we're going to compile it again. So if we have a value of 12 on our shift variable, we see that it's not going to work, and this is because of the 12 bits that are helping us in this program. But if we change it to an 11, we are gonna run this. Okay, so now we have an 11 over there, and we see that it's gonna work, but we're only gonna have this light over there turning on. So the maximum value that we can assign to our shift variable is going to be 11, because after that it's not going to work. And if we put less than 8, it's going to work, but it'll be really fast that we're not going to be able to see the change of the colors over here. So that's our test plan number 2. Test plan number 3, we're going to turn the knob, and at some point we're going to stop it over there, and we're going to reset it to see if it starts up from 0 or where it was left off. So let's do this color over here, and if we press the reset button over here, the LED's gonna turn off. But if we just release the reset button, it's gonna continue where it was left off. If we try the same, okay, so that's our test plan number 3. And finally, our test plan number 4 is pretty similar to the other one. We're just gonna see if the LED where it was left off is gonna still on. Like, we're gonna unplug it, and then when we plug it back, we're gonna see if that LED is still on. So let's go and choose this color over here, our blue color. And if we unplug it and then plug it back, we see that it's the same color where it was left off. I'm gonna try it again, the white color. Plug it back. All right, and those are all our test points, and that's how we read an analog signal and change it to a digital signal into MSP432.